If you've ever opened CapCut on your PC and thought, I wish I could use this in a different language, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change the language in CapCut's desktop app, so you can edit in whichever language you're most comfortable with, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Let's jump right in. You'll want to start by launching the CapCut Desktop application. That's the program you use for editing your videos, not the website or the mobile app. So, go ahead and double-click the CapCut icon on your desktop, or find it in your Programs list. Wait for it to load. Sometimes the splash screen stays up for a moment, so don't worry if it's a little slow to start, especially if your computer's running a lot of things at once. Once CapCut is open, turn your attention to the top right corner of the window. Look carefully. There's usually a gear icon up there representing settings. It looks like a small cogwheel, just like the classic settings symbol you'll see in most apps. This is your gateway to customizing how CapCut works for you. Go ahead and click that gear icon. If you've ever adjusted settings in other programs, this step will feel pretty familiar. Now, a menu is going to pop up on your screen. This is where all of CapCut's customizable options live, things like hotkeys, output preferences, and the language setting we're focusing on today. Your eyes might be drawn to all sorts of options, but stay focused and look either for a label that says Language outright, or for the name of the language your app is currently using. For example, it might say English, Espanol, or even show some Chinese characters depending on your current setup. When you've spotted the language label, click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu listing all of the languages CapCut supports. Take your time here, scroll through and find the option that works best for you. If you're more comfortable editing in French, Spanish, or another language, just click on your preferred option. This little selection makes a huge difference, especially if you're sharing your computer with family or working with collaborators who speak different languages. Changing the interface makes all those buttons, menus, and pop-ups much more approachable. After you've picked your new language, you usually need to restart the application for everything to update. CapCut will almost always prompt you at this point. Don't worry if you see a message saying you have to restart. Just click Restart or OK. If you're in the middle of a project, it's a good idea to save your work before you restart, but CapCut will generally handle this process smoothly. When you relaunch the app, you'll see everything, menus, tooltips, and labels, in the language you chose. It's a small tweak, but it can make your video editing experience much more comfortable and efficient. And that's it. You've just switched the language in CapCut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have questions. I answer as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new CapCut tip or video editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.